Hey, how are you doing out there today? Go Steelers, right? Well, next year anyhow. Let's talk about wheels. Think about a suit and muddy shoes, right? So you're going to pick a girl up and you guys are going to go out on a date. You got these nice threads on and all of a sudden she looks down and she sees your shoes. She says, that don't look like that goes well together, right? Same thing with a car. You get your car washed. Car looks nice and clean, body all sparkly, and the wheels don't look too good. So we need to fix that, right? Anyhow, my name is Tim Taylor here at the Cobra system, and I want to share a story with you today, how all this started, and in the end, to hear your challenges, so we can help you get them solved. So, before I entered into the car wash business, I was a machinist in a fabrication shop for 20 plus years. In 1995, I decided to start my own business. And my father, being a business owner, was very instrumental in helping me. So 3 years later, it ended up being Tim's Car Wash and Detail Shop. After 2 to 3 years, I saw a need for implementing more equipment in our 65-foot tunnel to get cleaner, drier car. Then I heard the industry talking about heated chemicals at the point of application. It made sense to me. At that time, we were cleaning wheels manually, so I started making prototypes of heated CTAs to try to application. In this original video from 2004, you'll see many different wheels being cleaned, so you'll know how effective your chemicals could be when adding heat at the point of application without the use of labor or tire brushes and finishing with only stationary wheel blasters. On one revolution of the wheel being sprayed, you'll notice the chemical working immediately, not needing dwell time, breaking down road grime and brake dust. The process was completed using only stationary wheel blasters with no 0-degree nozzle extensions or pivoting motion like the blaster we designed 6 years ago. Also, watch as the Ford F-150 tire, along with many others, have white letters that aren't noticeable until a CTA sprays them. Additionally, we had purchased a set of tire brushes waiting to be installed, still in the crate. After a couple of weeks went by, my manager, who was very hands-on, came to me and said, "Hey Tim, you might want to consider not installing the tire brushes just yet." I said, "What do you mean?" He said, "For the next few weeks, we watched them work and the results were amazing. I never thought about selling the CTAs to other operators until a few months later when someone stopped by our wash on a very busy day. He was watching the CTAs work. I approached him and he said, 'Are you the owner?' I said, 'Yes.' He said, 'Where did you get those CTAs?' I told him I made them. Then he asked, 'Can I get a set of them?' I said, 'Yes.' Then he asked, 'How much?' I said, 'I don't know.' And that's how everything started. A few years later, customers were asking about applying heated pre-soak the same way. And then came the bug tower. In 2010, we were awarded at the Northeast Regional Car Wash Convention for new innovations to help problem solve wheel cleaning using our patented heated CTAs. In 2017, we designed a pivoting, spinning wheel blaster with different innovative features for more uptime and minimum maintenance that will blast more than just wheels holding that 0-degree pattern for maximum impingement not to be matched. Did you know spinner RPMs also play an important role in wheel blasting performance? Go to our website and watch Wheel Blasters 101 video to see a complete breakdown. Then you'll learn why we offer exclusive 100% warranties on 2 wear parts, which are the UHMW pivot bearings and our laser nozzles. This blaster has been in the field now for over 6 years, and no one can seem to wear them out. I think we can all agree wheels are the hardest part to clean on a car because it's physically impossible to reach all areas of the rim. On a chain conveyor, Tire brushes do facilitate helping to clean the outer parts of the wheels for customers that don't maintain them. But if you're running a belt conveyor, it becomes much more of a challenge because you can't use tire brushes and wheels aren't rotating to cause the chemicals to stay concentrated on the rim. Your benefits and values will be known because of your customers' feedback and experiences when they see improvements they're sure to share with others. So, for the last 19 years, we have been perfecting a touchless wheel cleaning system, and now we're there. While there are a lot of secret sauces out there for cleaning wheels to choose from, and you've got your cost per car where you want it, the questions are, am I satisfied with the results? Does my sauce need a heat boost? Maybe it's time to ask your chemical supplier if heating the product at the point of application would produce better results. All the data and facts say yes. We will work with you diligently to earn your trust, to make sure you're getting the best customer service possibly. We will continue to work diligently for you, striving to raise the bar, to improve our products with integrity, performance, and great customer service. Maybe it's time to consider a Cobra system. We are confident to say when you purchase and install our wheel cleaning system and it does not produce cleaner wheels, our system comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you have any questions at all about what you heard or seen on this video today, give us a call or email us. If you do decide to call, I will personally give you some tips on wheel cleaning and bug removal I've learned over the years and advise on your current system, even if you don't purchase from us. It's a win-win for everyone if we can help you solve these problem areas. Also check out our website from time to time to see and hear from some of our customers at their washes to see what their experience has been. Until then, stay safe and make it a great day washing cars.